Today we'll talk about how can you select your gender on your Talkie app. We could to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you go down here, you click here on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on gender here, just click on it. So then here can you select your gender here. I'm going to click on here. You click here on confirm. Then it's going to change video here, or it's going to add video on your Talkie app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.